Been a new call from the UN human rights chief urging Israel to stop what he called unlawful killings in the West Bank. The UN says it's verified the deaths of 300 Palestinians by Israeli forces and settlers in the West Bank since early October.
The majority of homes in northern Scotland that lost power yesterday during Storm Gerrit are expected to be reconnected by this evening. Almost 3,000 properties are still cut off after strong winds, heavy rain and snow hit many parts of the UK. Graham Keddy is from Scottish and Southern Electricity Networks.
We have a high number of faults. It was a significant storm. The highest wind speed we observed at Inverbervie was 86 miles per hour, and in Storm Arwen that was 78 miles an hour. So what we're looking at is the majority of homes to be restored by this evening, but in rural areas and where we've had multiple points of damage, there will be some restorations that go in into tomorrow.
Storm Gerrit also brought with it what's been described as a localised tornado to parts of Great